Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and in this video, I'll be giving you a few tips about installing a Vivo monitor mount to an IKEA desk. The majority of IKEA's tabletops and desktops are made from solid particle board or solid wood and are very sturdy products. A few of their low-cost options, though, are made using different materials, and when you're using a monitor mount with a clamp or grommet base, this can present some problems. So to demonstrate, let's take a look. So as you can see here, this is one of their low-cost desktop options, and it's made using a paper fill through the majority of the desktop, and it has a laminate board on the top and bottom. This allows them to make a low-cost but sturdy product that works just fine for most users. However, when you're using a monitor mount with a clamp or grommet base, this can present some problems. To demonstrate the problem, I've turned this desktop around so you can see the inside of it. And I have here one of our stand V002 dual monitor mounts, which uses a clamp style base. Now, placing the clamp onto the desktop, everything looks normal at first, but as you tighten the clamp, over time, you'll start to see the desktop compress. Everything may seem fine at first though, but once a load is placed onto the monitor mount, the desktop breaks. With the damage that's happened here, the desktop is unfortunately beyond repair and the monitor mount is not safe to use with it. So, when using an IKEA desktop of this style, we recommend using a freestanding monitor mount. This will ensure that you have a safe and reliable setup that will last a long time. In the video description, you'll find a list of desktops that could have trouble using a clamp or grommet style base. We hope that this video has been helpful to you, and if you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to contact our customer support team. Thank you for watching.